You're not going to want to miss this episode of the AI Show. We talk all about global face grouping with video indexer with my friend Oren. Make sure you tune in. Hello and welcome to this episode of the AI Show. We're talking all about global face grouping with video indexer with my friend Oren. Oren, how you doing, my friend?
Hey Seth, pleasure to be here. Doing well,
Fantastic.
thank you.
So tell us who you are and what you do.
So I'm a principal researcher at the Azure Video Indexer team, doing cool AI stuff.
Yeah, so let's start with first, for those that don't know what video indexer is, can you tell us what it is?
Yep. So Azure Video Indexer is a cloud service that provides media analytics for different companies, media companies, and other companies that want to understand what's in their content and provide it through the web portal and APIs. We support over 30 different AIs to understand who's shown in the video, what objects are seen, what are the topics of the video, transcribing all content, splitting speakers, identifying emotions, and extracting keywords and all sorts of important information to search the media content and monetize it, provide accessibility scenarios for different visually and hearing impaired, and monetizing content essentially.
So it's like your one-stop shop for all things video and AI. And I've used it a lot to transcribe videos, to create transcripts. But today we're talking about something called face grouping. Can you tell us what that is?
Yep. So recently we've announced around um, Ignite a new feature called global face grouping. So uh, face grouping in general is provided in Video Indexer for a while now. As you can see here, different people, 100 over 180 people were detected in this particular video, and those that were recognized because of they're part of the 1 million celebrities we recognized using the celebrity recognition model, and those that were not recognized. So uh, another another AI that we provide is custom face identification. But all of those face analysis AIs are provided till last Ignite as per video analysis. And therefore, what we've conducted now is the ability to analyze and cross-correlate faces from different videos in your Video Indexer account.
Interesting. So if you have multiple videos, you'll be able to cross-correlate people in between like different videos. Am I getting this right?
Yep. And essentially, the system works as a recommendation engine to provide the user with people that appear in multiple videos in your account. And with a single tag, you can add many impressions of this person from multiple different videos to your face catalog to be recognized as part of your custom face identification model
And
in
all of this
future
stuff is
videos.
stored in your own personal account. Like, so say for example, there's a bunch of training videos at my company and I like a certain person, I'd be able to start finding people across videos using this feature.
Right. So you could essentially leverage our image tagging or to tag manually person that appeared, for example, in this video and was not recognized and introduce it to the face catalog. But the new capability will be able to recommend you with, for example, the entire staff of your bank branch to be able to recognize them in future videos with a single tag. So if you analyze the CCTV footage from multiple cameras in your bank branch, for example, you'll be able to be recommended with uh, each employee that was appearing in multiple videos on your account to be tagged once with multiple impressions.
Interesting. I'd love to see how this works. I understand you brought a demo. Can we show it now?
Yep, go ahead.
All right, let's do it.
So a new feature available in Azure Video Indexer is global face grouping. To demonstrate this new feature, we've kind of tried to mimic a work from a few years ago around video face clustering with unknown number of clusters, which was conducted over the Big Bang Theory sitcoms. So here we have the first 6 episodes of the Big Bang, where all the main characters were detected. We've also enabled this feature that shows all, even small, faces that were detected across the video. So it will be as inclusive as possible. And the new feature essentially allows users to track unknown people automatically across different videos in my account. So this may take a while. After a few minutes, we can see multiple people showing up in these 6 episodes. For example, we can see Penny with 10 different impressions in 6 different videos. So it means that 4 examples were not well clustered within a single episode. And here we can see that we better cluster them together. We can see her in different poses and facial expressions. We can see Leonard, even in his weird costume, Flash, I guess. And we can see also Sheldon, 8 different examples of Sheldon also wearing some odd helmet. And what can we do with it now? So if we name Sheldon, what happens is that all of those examples, plus additional examples sampled from within different segments in those videos, are added to the person custom face identification model in our catalog. So here's the model, and we can see Sheldon has 63 different examples from those 8 segments in 6 different videos we saw. So we can see various head poses here and clothing. So those will be great examples for facial recognition in future videos to be uploaded, as they represent this character in a very good manner. So after repeating this process for only 5 times, in which we only label the group and not specific detections, which is very powerful, we get a set of 5 persons, which each of them, like Howard, have multiple examples from all videos in my account. So here we can see Howard dressed up differently in various positions within these 6 episodes, as well as Leonard, Raj, and others. What we can do next is leverage this face catalog to recognize these people in future videos. If for some reason we believe that one of the examples might be too specific, perhaps because the crop was imperfect, like here, we can simply remove it from this catalog. To conclude this demonstration, we saw how easy it is to label people within many videos in my account. So in this case, we saw 6 episodes of the Big Bang Theory. But in real life scenarios, we've been able to support our customers with up to 500,000 different unknown people that were available in tens of thousands of videos that were indexed in their video indexer account, and easily empowered their users to build a coherent catalog of pure people, pure face examples or groups to be leveraged on their face catalog. This feature is bounded to the responsible AI restrictions and have limited access. You can request through this intake form, access for these features by describing the use case, the company, and the rest of the details are in our documentation.
So that was awesome, but you ended with the responsible AI aspect of it, which is super important. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, definitely. Microsoft sees itself as the leader in responsible AI, and all features that could identify people by face, name, or other attributes are restricted to the Office of Responsible AI in Microsoft.
So that's awesome. So where can people go to find out more about this stuff?
Our documentation first follows the how-to, and also the link for the request for responsible AI gating process is shown in that video.
Mhm.
Is the way to go to enable it, this feature.
And then obviously the portal itself, it's videoindexer.ai if you want to go check that out. Is that right?
Yep, definitely.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you, Seth. Pleasure to be here.
And thank you so much for watching and learning all about global face grouping with Video Indexer with my friend Oren. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Take care.